Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you have reached this far, thanks for watching, and remember to like, share and subscribe. I have removed some of the excess water from the rice as I do not want the rice to be too soggy. So I've taken out all the excess water and I've now have enough water in my rice. That's the amount of excess fluid I took out. So I have enough just to cook my rice. And here goes, I'm adding my browning to my oxtail for it to have that dark brown color. And I'm massaging the browning into the oxtail. I pre-seasoned it from overnight with all the various seasoning, like my all-purpose, the oxtail seasoning, meat seasoning, Maggi seasoning, and I put a bit of jerk seasoning in it as well. So I'm just massaging in all that together. I added the browning the day after when I was gonna cook it. So I'm just adding the browning, massaging it, and it is ready to sit for a while. Here I am just chopping my onions. I chopped about 2 onions, and yes, I did 2 onions. And what I will be doing after, I will be adding the onions to the preheated oil. The cooker is already on, the pot is already on the cooker, and the oil is already in. So I'm just cutting the onions a bit smaller. I'm gonna add them to the oil and let it saute, let it brown. Let the onion cook until it's golden brown. And after which I will be adding the oxtail. Just a few more onions to go, and then I'll be adding it to the pot so that it can cook. I'm just trying to sort the camera out right here, guys. So I'm adding the onions to the pot. The oil is already in. I chopped 2 onions, and I am gonna let the onions cook for a little before I add the oxtail to the pot to cook a bit in the pot to catch the color and for the flavors to soak in from the onions and the garlic. And after which I will be adding the oxtail. The oxtail cook for a bit, and then I'll be pressuring the oxtail. I'll be pressuring the oxtail for it to get a bit tender. After which, there goes, that's the onion in the that's the onion that I'm cooking down. I want to get it to a brown color so that I am able to add the oxtail to it. So the onion is gonna take a little while to cook. I haven't speeded up the video, so you'll just see the amount of time that it took me to cook the onions and sort it out so that I'm able to put the oxtail to it. So there I go, I'm getting the oxtail ready so that I can put it in the pot. So just letting the onion continue to brown, giving it a bit more stir just for all of it to be coated and cooked so that the flavors can be released, and it's gonna be cooking, browning, as we would say in Jamaica. We're gonna get the meat to a brown color for all the ingredients to soak in. Yes guys, so we're gonna get all the ingredients to soak in, and after it is cooked for a bit and to your desired liking, then we're gonna add water to the pressure cooker and let it pressure maybe about 15-20 minutes. That's the rice, that's my rice and peas that I did earlier. Come out so well, come out nice and shelly. So that's finished, and that's off the heat. Push to one side of the cooker. So now we're gonna be, in a moment, we're gonna be adding the seasoning. I put a bit of spinners in it, the dumpling spinners, and I added the baked butter bean as well. Thanks for watching.